In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on backups in QuickBooks Online. Backing up your data is one of the most important steps you can take to protect your business information. QuickBooks Online makes this process simple by allowing you to enable automatic backups, ensuring your company data is always secure and up to date. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just haven't set this feature up yet, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. If you're not already using QuickBooks Online, you can find a link in the description below to get started. To begin, head over to your QuickBooks Online dashboard. In the top right corner of the screen, look for the small gear icon. This is your settings menu, so go ahead and click on it. Once the drop-down menu appears, select the option labeled Account and Settings. This will open up the settings window where all your account preferences can be managed. Next, on the left-hand side of the Account and Settings window, you'll see a series of tabs. Click on the one labeled Advanced. This will take you to the Advanced Settings page where you'll find more specific options for customizing your QuickBooks experience. Now, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the Advanced page. Here you'll find a section called Backup Options. This is where you'll set up and enable your automatic backups. Once you locate this section, click on it to open the backup settings. In the backup settings, you'll see an option to enable backups. Make sure to toggle this on to activate automatic protection for your company data. By doing this, QuickBooks will regularly save backups of your information, giving you peace of mind that your data is safe. If you'd like, you can also choose to store your backups in a personal cloud location, such as Google Drive. This step is optional, but it can provide an added layer of convenience and security. To do this, simply select your preferred cloud service and follow the on-screen prompts to connect your account. Once connected, make sure to choose a secure destination folder where your backups will be saved. Once you've finished setting up your backup preferences, click the Done button in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will save all your changes and finalize your backup setup. And that's it. Your QuickBooks Online account is now configured to automatically back up your data, so you can focus on running your business without worrying about data loss. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.